it's Thursday, but some people call it Friday Eve. No, I'm just lying in my bed. I got cold, so I put the night out before blanket over me. I just tied my hair up. I know I need to wash it again. I'm playing Animal Crossing. After playing Animal Crossing for a bit, I'm gonna get up because I'm gonna go down to town. So I am, to get a few more bits because I'm nearly finished my Christmas shopping. Can you believe it? So I cannot wait until it's over. I cannot wait till the shopping is over. I do need to get wrapping paper, so I'll probably pick that up today, I'd say, or probably next week. We'll pick it up next week, I'd say, because nobody knows whose presents for who, you know, so it makes no difference. So yeah, I had the best sleep last night, so I did the best sleep. So yeah, so I'm just going to finish off playing Animal Crossing, and I'm going to make my bed. I'm going to get dressed, have breakfast, brush my teeth, and then probably by the time that's done, it will probably be time to head down to town. So yeah, I'm going to go have a look in the chemist, up by the new medical centre in Bray, because I went in there one of the days last week to pick something up for my mum, and they have lovely, beautiful Christmas sets, so I think I'm going to have a look in there for a few things. So yeah, so I have the Christkindl between Simon, Sarah, Graham and me. I have basically my Christkindl from that, basically from the friends group. I have half of Jade's present in ordered, so it's on the way. I'll be going down town today to pick up her birthday thing. I have to change Mia's present because it was the wrong size that I picked up. So I have to go down and change it. Hopefully they'll have the size. Hopefully. I ordered a few presents last night off Amazon as well, just like pajamas and a new duvet set for my niece. I think that's it. I think that's all I ordered. Yeah, I ordered pajamas for people, pajamas for myself as well, of course. I think I ordered pajamas for myself. If not, it's probably on my wish list for next week. And yeah, so I'm not ordering any more until loads of my deliveries off Amazon gets here, and then I'll be ordering more stuff. So yeah, so I'm pretty much nearly done, which is good. So yeah, so I am going to go off and play a bit more. Play more of Animal Crossing, and then I will get up and get dressed and make my bed, and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm all ready to go. I have my jumper, I have my shoes, and hat. I've made my bed. I have a bit more clothes to put away along with these down there. So when I come home, it'll be fun putting my clothes. But for now, I am going down to town. And I'm going to walk down So I am, because I want to get a few photos. So yeah. Hey guys, we're nearly down the town. I have walked down. So I am heading to the town to get a few bits, and possibly meeting my mom down there if we finish around about the same time. She's gone for a walk with my aunt, so yeah. But look how beautiful the leaves are. How beautiful. But yeah, nearly there, guys. So currently down in Deals, and look who I bumped into. Yeah, I am. My brain is going 90. I don't know what to do, so the vlog isn't boring.
We vlogged Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
So yesterday I took my time putting up the Halloween decorations in my room. I took my time, so I did and everything. Cute.
What's that? What's that one?
Hey guys, so sorry I haven't really been vlogging while I was down the town. I was just trying to get a few bits done, then I bumped into Graham's there, so I was chatting with them for a bit and everything like that. I'm at the bus stop now. I'm after picking up the last few bits of the Christmas presents, so the rest of the things I just need like selection boxes, box of chocolates, everything like that, but that can be done like in Tesco or whatever. So yeah, so I am heading back home now, so see you guys when I'm back home. Hey guys, so back at home now, thank God. I just need to put a few bits away, but first I'm going to jump into the shower because I feel absolutely horrible. So I'm going to jump into the shower, wash my hair and get into fresh clothes. So I will see you all after my shower. I love the shower now. Oh my God, I feel so much better now. I am in my Sally t-shirt and my Sunday tracksuit bottoms. Look, I put this over basically as a duvet. Feels so nice. So yeah, I'm going to dry my hair now and put these away and do a bit of YouTube work and chill out. So yeah. Hey guys, so I have put away my clothes. I have brought down my clothes. I have changed my bin. I have put away the presents, just into 2 bags. Them 2 jumpers don't go really anywhere, so I just have them there for the moment. I have Hardred Henry on at the moment because I don't know what to watch at the moment. I just have my hair up in a ponytail, leaving it to dry naturally. Yeah. Alright guys, so still have Hardred Henry on. Made myself a sandwich, just a ham, Sambo on brown bread and a banana, and my water's in the fridge. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have the Haunting of Hill House on, and I am doing a bit of YouTube work. I've done a heap of thumbnails, so I'll just show you what no junk food thumbnail will look like. Hopefully I can get it to open. So that's the thumbnail there. So I'll be inserting, right after I inserted a photo of basically the thumbnail, I'll show you one thumbnail. So there you go. And you see that? So, because the background is mainly for no junk food challenge, and then that's still my vlog, and the background photo will be going with the no junk food. So there you go. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for one of the vlogs to download, so I can schedule it and everything like that. My skeleton is going. Pumpkin isn't really going. He's dancing, he's dancing, he's dancing, he's dancing, he's dancing. I love the decorations, so I love it. So yeah, so I'm going to finish, basically try and watch that. It's only 4 o'clock, so I'll just continue watching this up as far as dinner time and get my dinner sorted. So yeah. Hey guys, so it is time for bed. I had my dinner. You would have seen a photo of it up before this clip. So you would have. So I am just in my butterfly t-shirt and my stripy pajamas. I have a Carly on in the background. I am going to bed now. I took a shower earlier. My hair feels so much better now, and actually felt great actually leaving it to dry naturally. So yeah. So I am going to bed now, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you have, please give me a like, comment below, subscribe and hit the bell, and share with all your family and friends, and see you all in the next vlog. Bye.